On problem 5, we have this trapezoid, and we're told the area is 6x to the 11th. So we're going to substitute that in to A. 6x to the 11th equals 1/2. We're supposed to find the height, and my two bases, notice, are x to the 6 and 2x to the 6. So x to the 6 plus 2x to the 6. Now we want to solve for h. So 6x squared equals 1/2 h. If I combine x to the 6, I wrote x squared, sorry about that, it's x to the 6, plus 2x to the 6, well, that's 3x to the 6. If I take half of that, we'll get 3/2. Why do I keep on writing squared when I say 6? Okay, 3/2 h times x to the 6 power. Well, divide by 3, multiply by 2. So in other words, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2/3. 3 goes into 6, 2 times 2 times 2 is 4. So we get 4, and I did it again, didn't I? I just noticed that. I wrote 2 when I meant 11. So used to writing 2, but that's not right. So I get 4x to the 11th equals h times x to the 6. And I did it again. Sorry about that. So I divide. Wow, I did it again over here too. So then I'll divide both sides by x to the 6. And we get 4x to the 5th power. And there's your answer. Now, on question 6, let's simplify inside the parentheses first. So 6 go positive divided by negative is a positive. 6 goes into 30 5 times. So 5 in the numerator. Denominator. And then subtract your exponents. I'll do my work over here. -2 minus a -5. That'll be a +3, x to the 3rd. 3 minus 2 is y. 8 minus a -1 is 9, z to the 9th. Then I'm going to take that whole thing to the 3rd power. 3 times 3 is x to the 9th. Y to the 3rd, z to the 27th. All over 5 to the 3rd, which is 125. And there's our answer. That's all we had to do. Okay, on number 7, we want to simplify this and see which one of these would be the same. First off, d to the 0 power is 1. So you get 1 z to the -2 all over d squared z cubed. Now I could simplify that a tad, couldn't I? -2 minus 3 would be z to the -5th power all over d squared. And then I'm going to look at which, now notice, d to the 2nd power, I could actually write that as 1 over d squared z to the 5th, where I have all positive exponents. I will never have d squared in the numerator because it's squared in the denominator. So my first one is not right. Notice my second one is exactly what we just did. And then my third one, if I move them both to the numerator, as such, I would get d to the -2, z to the -5 in my numerator. So that one would have been right. And like you said, on the fourth and fifth one, d squared will never be in the numerator.